Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure device time and network are correct, and you have access to your trusted phone or email. Next, enter the exact Apple ID email at iForget. Apple. Calm and attempt the account recovery prompts. If you remember your password, try signing in and follow the on-screen steps to unlock. If prompted, choose to receive a verification code on a trusted device. Doing this now speeds later verification and preserves two-factor settings. Once you receive a verification code, enter it promptly. Codes expire quickly, so act fast. If two-factor isn't available, start account recovery and provide any requested info, previous passwords, device serial numbers, or the recovery key if you saved one. After Apple confirms your identity, set a new, unique password and update your security settings. Make sure to update the password across Mail, iCloud, App Store, and any devices to avoid repeated locks. Finish by signing into your Apple ID on each device, re-enable iCloud and services, and verify your payment and security info. If recovery is denied or stuck, escalate. Call Apple support and have proof of purchase, device serial, and photo ID ready. This often resolves disabled accounts. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see a persistent lock or unknown activity, change your passwords immediately and remove unfamiliar devices from the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.